Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a snack haul and 2 easy recipes that you can use for on-the-go meals or your meal prepping. If you guys enjoy this video, please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And also feel free to share with your friends if you want to inspire them to start meal prepping or just getting new ideas for snacks. Hey guys, so I'm back from the grocery store. I just wanted to show you really quickly some of the snacks that I got. I did put away meat and like the eggs and all the bare essential stuff, but I just wanted to show you really quickly what I got. A lot of it's stuff I haven't tried. Actually, I broke into a lot of it because I was starving when I came home, but real quick, I just want to show you, we have some English muffins here, some organic English muffins. This is my go-to all the time, Green Goddess from Bolthouse Farms. Literally, it is fabulous. Another one of my faves is this Crunchmaster Protein Brownie Thins. I just tried these. I've been eyeing these up for quite some time. These are apple cinnamon yogurt crisp. They're made with yogurt and they're super duper good. I did get a wholesome medley. This is just like regular trail mix, and I want to mix it with some vanilla yogurt raisins. Also back here, I haven't tried these yet. Peanut butter chocolate chip chewy granola bars. My other favorite, I'm pretty sure they just came out with these, fiber and protein Quaker Oats, the instant oatmeal. And I've had this Swiss Miss reduced calorie hot chocolate. I got my Dunkin' Donuts ground coffee. I also got my little cheeses. These are my absolute favorite. I did get some plums, some blueberries, some chocolate cacao, whatever. Zucchini butternut back there, some avocados, some protein bars, bananas, asparagus. Ready rice is my favorite ever. Whole grain black beans, and I also got long grain and wild. Another one of our favorites that we always have in the house. Always have to have our taco kit because taco is life. Pears, avocados, green peppers, regular russet potatoes, and some sweet potatoes.